In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Roblox cannot send group funds. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your account permissions. You must be the owner or have a disperse permission. Go to group permissions and make sure you have the right role. The other thing you want to do is your account must be age 13 plus to send group funds. Also, verify your age into account info. The other thing you want to do is two-step verification is required to send group funds and enable it from settings and security. Make sure that your group also has enough Robux. Go to group payouts to check the available balance. The other thing you want to do is make sure that the group must be at least 30 days old and group funds must be from sales and not from Robux purchases. You may need to wait more before making another payout or avoid sending multiple payouts in a short time. Use the default payment method, which is going to be DevX. So go to group and payouts and make sure that payment method is valid. The Roblox servers might also be down. Keep that in mind and simply try updating your application. I hope